Hi NPR, how's it going? My name is Jackie Rain, like the weather. I'm live here in Venice Beach, California, and this is my Tiny Desk competition submission. I'm so honored to be considered. Thank you so much for listening. I've chosen to play my song Sleepwalking for you, and without further ado, I'll get right to it. So this is my song Sleepwalking. So we live in kind and share the mind and walk as children of the light. If only we could live this moment forever. If only we could live this moment through the end of time. If only we could live this moment forever. If only we could live this moment through the end of time. In the morning, do you wake up? Do you ever get up? Or are you just sleepwalking? Oh, in the morning, do you ever wake up? Do you ever get up? Or are you just sleepwalking? Oh, in the morning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Jackie Rain, like the weather. That was Sleepwalking. And in the morning, do you get up? Are you actually up, or are you just sleepwalking, asking for a friend? Thank you, Tiny Desk. Thank you, NPR. Spread love every day. Peace out.